I'm gonna make some coils. And it's a good idea not to pre-make all of the coils that you're gonna need for the piece, because if you do that, the first one you made will be starting to get too dry by the time you get to the last one. So I'd recommend like maybe 3 or 4 coils at a time at the most, or just do it one by one really. But basically I just grabbed a piece of clay from the bag. I just smushed off a piece, and what I'm gonna do to roll this into a coil is I'll spread my fingers like this, opposed to keeping them like this, and then I'll just go back and forth, left to right, right to left, and that'll roll it evenly. So I'm just spreading my fingers and I'm moving it. If you just keep them together and go in one direction, you'll get indents in the clay. But if you move your hand and spread your finger, it really does, you can see already, it really does roll it pretty evenly. And you don't need it like how the extruded coils look, like to be like perfect. They just need to be like pretty much the same size. And I'd say this is about the size you want it if you're making a base this size. You want it to be just about the same thickness or a little bit thicker for this, okay?